Hello, this is Pipes. I'm here at the 29th Annual Rod and Custom Auto, Motorcycle and Parts Expo at the QCCA Expo Center. And we have got a lot of great stuff here, and we're going to be sharing it with you today. Appreciate you watching. Start off with this beautiful Corvette. Of course, these are the cars that are in the Dwyer and Michael's Classic Car Calendar, sponsored along with Budweiser. We'll get to those in a minute. We're going to keep on rolling through and checking out the rest of the cars here. Got a 57. Look at this thing. That just screams go fast. Interior. I mean, this is just absolutely gorgeous. I mean, they have done a lot of work on this. Great shape. The huge fins. You gotta love those things, man. Of course, the back end from the guys from the Camaro Club. The famous 351 Boss. Had his car in a couple publications there. It is a beaut, isn't it? Looks like he's got his signature there, huh? How about that? Five-window coupe. Oh, you know, that just screams. Check out that fuel delivery system, huh?
Good morning, everyone. Welcome to the Rod and Custom Show. The show is now over.
Oh, we're running out of time. There's going to be a bunch of people in here. Going to make photography a little difficult. Check out. I mean, it don't get any crazier than this, does it, folks? Check out this old boy here. Of course, there's the Dwyer and Michael's 97X. Catch the back end of this one. The lights. .42 Willys. A lot of extras in there, huh? Of course, gotta hide the modern stuff in an ammo box. Another little screamer, huh? I bet you that thing flies. Check out the radiator cap, huh? Pretty tough. This bad boy. Racing slicks on it. '75 Nova. Wow. Good. There's a grill for you, huh? Oh, yes. 26. backlit window. Completely clean. Look at that. Look at how nice this bad boy is, huh? We got the folks from the local drag strip, Cordova. We got some cars here that have been tuned by one of the great participants here, Rev Hard. Heard good things about their work from the folks over at Cordova. Yes. You know you got some serious stuff going on when you got to have a big old... Look at that. Size of that bar going across there. Stabilizing. It's even... Wow. Pretty incredible stuff, man. And a nice little lounge area for people to hang out in. This is the beginnings of something, isn't it? Check out this plot. Man, they've got some chrome going on in here, don't they? Chrome hinges, springs. Of course, that's the guys from Rev Hard talking about the tuning on that, the horsepower. I used to have one of these. Didn't have a motor in it, anything like that, though, I'll tell you. Holy cannoli. Wow. Wow. Well, that's pretty incredible. Yep. Roll bar in there. It's one of the great vendors. We got all kinds of stuff here. Oh, yes. Check out this. You know this car moves, huh? Good morning, folks. I'm wonderful. Ready for another busy day? Good, good. The folks, one of the sponsors, Clearco Tools, helped bringing in Big Swag Wagner and Paige Simpson from Speed Channel's hit show Pastime. Man, that thing just screaming and sitting there, isn't it crazy? Absolutely crazy. And we're coming to the end of the show here. Of course, you see Big Pastime, Clearco Tools. Appreciate all their help. And there's a screaming car. Oh, yes. And then the fellows from the car shop, a local speed shop. Camaro. Got one of our other participant sponsors, Galaxy One. Appreciate all their support. And then There's a good example of somebody doing something and making something, and I believe he's got it pretty much covered there, doesn't he? All the states and the shapes. Pretty close. So here we are to the end of the show.
What's going on, buddy?
Having a good time.
Great specials here at the Rod Custom Show. Live with the Speed Channel. Here from Galaxy One, John Adams.
Yes, sir. Check them out here at the 29th annual Rod and Custom Auto, Motorcycle, and Parts Expo. More tools. $45 for that big old pair of channel locks and some big ass. And we've got another show, the pre-party for the Torque Fest. We're going to go over there and check them out. And the next show that I will be at will be coming up right here in the same building in 2 weeks. This is Pipes, and I appreciate your time and checking out the video. We'll see you again.